In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to entering opening balances overview in QuickBooks Online. When you first start using QuickBooks Online, one of the most important things you'll do is enter your opening balances. This is what tells QuickBooks where your accounts stand on the day you begin tracking your books in the system. If you skip this, your reports, bank balances, and financial statements won't line up with reality, so it's worth taking a few minutes to do it carefully. Let's walk through the process together, step by step. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look for the settings icon. This is the small gear icon, usually in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on that, and from the menu that appears, choose Chart of Accounts. The chart of accounts is simply the list of all the accounts your business uses, things like bank accounts, credit cards, loans, income, and expenses. Once you're in the chart of accounts, look for the New button, usually near the top right of the list. Click New to create a new account that you want to set up with an opening balance. A window will open where you can set up the details of this account. Here, you'll choose the account type, such as bank, credit card, or another category that best matches the account you're adding. Taking a moment to choose the correct type is important because it affects how the account appears on your reports and how QuickBooks treats the balance. After selecting the type and any other required details, you'll see a field labeled Opening Balance. This is where you enter the starting amount for that account as of the date you're beginning in QuickBooks. For example, if your bank statement shows a certain balance on your start date, that's what you'll enter here. Double-check this number against your external records so it matches exactly. Next, move to the A's of field. This is the date that the opening balance is valid. It should match the point in time when you want QuickBooks to start tracking this account, often the beginning of a month or your fiscal year. Choosing the correct date will help ensure your reconciliations go smoothly later. You can optionally add a short description. This can be a helpful reminder, like noting that this balance comes from a specific statement or prior system. Once everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will create the account with the opening balance you entered, and you can repeat this process for any other accounts you need to set up.